In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a share icon in Figma using a super simple plugin workflow that saves time and gives you access to tons of clean, professional icons instantly. Whether you're designing a UI, building an app mockup, or just need a quick share icon for a layout, this method is fast, easy, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Figma tips, design shortcuts, and quick how-to videos. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Figma design file and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want to add the icon. Once you're in the design, look at the bottom toolbar and click the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of helpful tools, plugins, and workflows that can speed up your design process. After that, click on Plugins and Widgets. This section lets you search for tools that can add pre-built assets, icons, and other helpful elements directly into your file. Now in the search bar, type Iconify and run it. Iconify is one of the most popular icon plugins in Figma because it gives you access to a huge library of icons without needing to draw them manually. Once the plugin opens, use the search bar and type share. After you press enter, you'll see a list of share icons appear. Take a moment to browse the results and pick the style that fits your design best, whether you want something outlined, filled, or minimal. When you find the one you want, simply drag and drop it into your design. You can place it wherever you need it on the canvas, then resize it, recolor it, or align it to match the rest of your interface. If needed, you can also duplicate it across different screens or components so your design stays consistent. And that's it. You've successfully created a share icon in Figma in just a few simple steps. This is a great method anytime you need quick access to icons without wasting time searching the web or building them from scratch. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and let me know in the comments what icon or design tip you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.